Welcome back, guys. As you saw in the previous video, I told you to stay tuned for the first mod I'll be installing on the car. And the first mod is installed, and some of you might have guessed it, but it's exhaust. I decided to go with the Roush axle back. It's one of the most popular axle backs for this generation Coyote, or for any Coyote, and that means. And you understand it a little bit when you see it on video, but video does not do justice for how good this car sounds. And straight out of the box, it's not that hard to install, honestly. I mean, we put my car up on some stands in my buddy's driveway, and the hardest thing to do with this install is finding them to get the stock muffler out, because the stock muffler is like this big, and the Roush is like this big, and the stock one's like that. So you're fighting trying to see where the hanger is and get everything out. But, I mean, the easiest thing we found, it seemed like it'd be harder at first, but it wasn't as hard as we thought, is right underneath the center console, there's the factory H-pipe. So you got to unbolt that and pull it forward to get to help get the stock muffler through the hangers. So that made it a lot easier. Plus, we were up on a stand, so the car's like this. But overall, the install is like, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say maybe a 3 or 4 out of 10. It wasn't bad at all, honestly. But overall, I say it's a very good product. And in the next part of this video, I'll show you the quality of what it looks like underneath the car. It's all stainless steel.